Добрый день, my dear friends. My name is Irina. I'm going to teach you some Russian. And today we're going to talk about time. My favorite topic because it concerns numbers. I like numbers. So we see clocks right here and we know the numbers. We almost know all 12. At our previous classes we learned 10. So we are lacking only 11 and 12. We're going to take it today. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button because we have classes every day. Okay, so first of all, I would like to review the previous material, and at our previous class, we said that we know how to say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and it turned out that the word o'clock can be singular, can be plural, and also it can have different endings. Oh my god, I know it's hard sometimes, but hey, I'm going to teach you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And basically what I want to remind you that if we say 1 o'clock, it's singular, so we say один час, but 2, 3, and 4, it's an exception. So these happy 3 people are having a in the end. So it's 2 часа, 3 часа, 4 часа, and the rest of that company, 5, 6, 7 million, and so on, will have часов off in the ending. So 5 часов, 6 часов, 7 часов, 8 часов, and oh my god, I can count forever. Wow. So to actually name time, to talk about time, we need 11 and 12. And it's a really long word. Take a deep breath. We're gonna do it together. So, I need to give you the stress. 11, 12. Okay, so this is stressed. We're going to consult the transcription because, oh my gosh, to read this, we're going to do it till next summer. Okay. 11. It's 11. Один, well, it makes sense. Один is 1. Надцать. 11. Can you repeat after me? I know it's hard, but hey, we'll just do it. We're gonna do it. Just let's believe in ourselves. 11. One more time. 11. Okay, so write it down with the English letters and read it. 11. And T soft, okay? 11. 11. Okay. Next one will be 12. 12. 12. Like pizza. Цать. 2. 2. Цать. 12. I know, believe me, if I had to learn that, I would be like, oh my gosh. Okay, but we have 11 and 12, we're gonna use it, so 11, 12. We know the word сейчас, now. Сейчас 12 часов. Сейчас 11 часов. Сейчас 1 час. Сейчас 2 часа. Сейчас 3 часа. Сейчас 4 часа. Сейчас 5 часов. Сейчас 6 часов. Listening, listening is good, right? Сейчас 7 часов. Сейчас 8 часов. Сейчас 9 часов. Сейчас 10 часов. Сейчас 11. One more time. 11 часов. Сейчас 12 часов. Okay, now we're going to learn the word minutes and 1 minute. Voila! Now we have minutes. So minutes, as hours, also will have the same rule. Can be singular, can be plural, and plural has also exceptions as 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so if there is 1 minute, it will be одна, and also один, it's masculine. But minuta is feminine. So we're going to say for the word one, only for the word one, the word одна. Let's write it down. Одна. One. Одна minuta. Like in Spanish, una minuta. Okay? So una is feminine, right? The same in the Russian language. Одна. Одна minuta. The second exception will be 2. The rest will be okay. So 2 will be две. Let's write it down here. Две. So we would say две минуты. Две минуты. Okay? Минута, минуты. Everywhere will be the same. Одна минута, две минуты, 3 минуты, 4 минуты. Okay, so please look at the ending. But 5 минут, 5 минут, no ending. 6 минут, 7 минут, 8 минут. So you need to write down that minutes also have singular and plural. Singular will be 1, but minuta is feminine, so we also see as an exception number 1 and number 2. Those two guys will be feminine. Oh, girls, we can call them girls. Those two girls are feminine. Одна, две. Одна минута, 1 minute. 2 минуты, 2 minutes. And then the rest of the guys are the same, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. But starting with 5, we do not have any ending, minut. So what I'm talking about is the root of the word. Minut is the base of the word, okay? So you see it here, you see it here, you see it here. But the ending is different. We have the ending with the word 1. We have the ending with 2, 3, and 4. And we have no ending with 5 and the rest of the company. So that's what I want you to learn. We're going to say, now it is 1 o'clock and 5 minutes, for example. We're going to say now it is 6 o'clock and 10 minutes. Voila! Now on the whiteboard you see what we are going to read right now and actually translate also and use it. We don't know many numbers yet, so we actually know till 12. So both hours and minutes are going to be till 12. I'm sorry, we're going to learn it, but hey, baby steps. Mama knows how to teach English and Russian and Spanish and Italian, so check out my other courses too. Okay, so 1 час 5 минут. One more time. 1 час 5 минут. So where is that? It's 1 o'clock and 5 minutes. Alright, so it's 1 o'clock and actually 5 minutes. It's right here. You can say сейчас 1 час 5 минут. Repeat, please. Сейчас 1 час 5 минут. Great. Next one will be 2 часа. 2 часа 10 минут. No ending. 2 часа 10 минут. Where is that? It is 2 o'clock and 10 minutes. So it's 2:10. We don't say o'clock, right, in the English language? Well, I would actually use the word час, часа, but sometimes, in some cases, I would not. And we will talk about it later, because now the most important part is to follow the endings, alright? And to remember that sometimes minutes are feminine. So it's 2:10. It's 2:10. Okay? 2 часа 10 минут. It is 5 часов 1 минута. Сейчас 5 часов 1 минута. Where is that? So it is 5 o'clock and 1 minute. Okay? Pay attention at of. Okay, next one. 9:3. Please read. 9 часов 3 минуты. Where is that? I mean, basically you can figure it out because it's easy with the numbers. So it is 9 o'clock and 3 minutes. Somewhere right here. Okay? Good. And the last one will be 4 часа 6 минут. No ending. So it's gonna be 4 o'clock and 6 minutes. 4 часа 6 минут. Okay. So basically now you know how to say hours or o'clock, right? You know how to say minutes. For your homework, you're going to write down this time and try to actually transcribe it. So try to write it down with the Russian letters because we need to start learning how to write Russian too. I know it's a lot, you need to know a lot of words and pronunciation and grammar and now writing. Like, are you crazy, Irina? But hey, just try it. If you don't want to write, just say it out loud. Try to practice your hours and your minutes. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you need private classes, if you actually want to talk Russian and to have a partner and a teacher who will teach you how to speak the Russian language, please send me a personal email. You will see all the links here in the description below, also on this video. I also teach Russian on my Instagram, so find my Instagram, the link also will be right here. And I have video courses where I teach you how to speak Russian and actually speak with you, so you have practice. So my video courses on my website, and also you can exactly talk and talk until you start feeling comfortable talking. Well, you can also find me on all social media. I have vk.com, Facebook, Well, Instagram, as I have already said, and my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Russian with Irina. Thank you for watching. Like this video. Пока-пока.